Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you in this video about you can achieve great things by getting out of your comfort zone. And what I mean by that is a couple years ago when I started this YouTube channel, I started seeing my sponsor in a business opportunity that I was doing at the time, and who's my sponsor in the current thing I'm doing right now of Power Lead System. He told me that you should get out there and start making videos because it's a more powerful form of getting out to people than just emailing people or putting a post out on your timeline. Those are all good things and all, yes, of getting out to people, but when you make videos, you get to see the person. You don't just and you can show more of how you feel about things, and you can start building an audience as well. And in that time frame, I was a little uncomfortable at first, but the more I did it, the more I got, the more what's the word I should say? The more I felt like I could do anything. Because if I can overcome something like this that I was fearful of, get in front of the camera and doing videos, then I can do anything. And if you want to succeed and pursue a dream or anything like that, you got to get out more. You got to be able to break the bonds of fear and getting out of your comfort zone. Because a lot of times we become prisoners of other people. Other people dictate how we're going to live. If we're afraid of doing a video because of what others might think and stuff like that, then you're never going to, or even in general, if you're afraid to post something on your timeline for fear that people are going to make fun of you, then you're not going to be able to get out to people and stuff like that, and it's going to hold you back. The problem is we don't think independently. In our society today, if we see something on social media, and it's all over the place, it must be true, and it's not always that way. I believe it's a very collective society we live in now, because we're so connected on the internet and everything. And most people don't think big anymore. They don't think individually. They think based on the opinions of others, and they're afraid of losing friends if they go into something that they're afraid they're going to get made fun of. And so I broke free out of my comfort zone. And by doing that, it gave me more confidence. It built my confidence of getting out to people by telling people about myself, about doing all kinds of things that I never thought, if you asked me 10 years ago, I would be doing. And because of it, I've built something online that has given me some extra income to supplement my own income. And I hope, I don't know for sure, I hope I've been an inspiration to others. In a lot of my other videos, I say, I hope you got something out of my videos, even if you didn't join my opportunity. And that's what I want. I'm not just in this for myself, and I'm in this to help others as well. And to tell you the truth, I'm no one great. I'm really not. And I don't think that way either. I've said in my other videos too, I believe that we're all far more capable of doing other things. We're all more capable of doing more than we think, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And so this is just going to be a short video, and I just wanted to shoot that video real quick, because you don't have to be perfect when you're doing stuff like this. Even in this video, I said something and I stopped for a second. There are a lot of imperfections in my videos, but what people want is they want to see you. They want to get your message. Just get your message across. Don't worry about, oh, my hair was messed up in this video or something like that, or my appearance wasn't great or anything like that. People don't care, and you'll believe that. You'll realize that as you break free of your comfort zone and you overcome your fears, most of the things that you think people are saying about you or thinking about you probably really isn't the case. I don't really think people care as much as you think they think about you doing different things in your life. So I'm going to end the video now, and I just wanted to give you that little message of getting out of your comfort zone, because there was a quote I read the other day, someone on my timeline posted, and it was a quote from some famous person or something, and it said, "True success is accomplished on the other side of fear." In other words, it's fear that cripples your ability to break free, to grow, to achieve great things. And if you can do that, if you can overcome your fears and you can overcome your comfort zone, get out of your comfort zone, then you can start doing big things. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in looking at my business opportunity, it's in the link below. I created a video recently about my business opportunity as well, and it's a complete review of everything about my business and everything. And I also did a video on the importance of upgrades in your online business. And so check those videos out if you're interested in that stuff. If not, I hope you got something out of this video, and hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video and the notification bell right next to it, so you'll be notified if I make more videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.